Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we just got the rebuild kit for the LTD. If you watched my previous videos about the LTD, you know that I was having trouble with it. It was running too lean, running too rich, and all that, running rough. And I think that's probably because there's something wrong inside the carburetor. So in this video, we're going to rebuild it. So let's go get the LTD. It's probably the first time in like a week or two it's been started. It's a good thing we're getting this done because it was barely running when I was driving it over here. So we're going to pop the hood. So now we're going to unscrew this. And here is the carburetor. Alright, so I've set the camera down in a place where I don't have to hold it. I'm going to try to keep it in the best view possible while I'm working on the carburetor. So here we go. This, and you have access to the inside of the carburetor, and oh wow, it is dirty in there. No wonder our car wasn't running too good. There's water inside it. Huh. So I have the stuff that I want to get clean, and I decided to put the fuel filter in there since we're going to reuse it anyway. And I have the carburetor and carburetor cover in here, and it's ready to be soaked. Alright, so I had to switch buckets because, as you can see, that one has a crack in it, so we're going to use this one. If I can't get the whole thing submerged, then I'll just at least get them all soaked. So that was all the container had. Alright, so it's about 20 minutes later. I'm going to go ahead and pull these carburetor parts out of here and take a look at them. Alright, so I've got all the carburetor parts cleaned off. I mean, look at that. That looks so much better. And I got all these parts rinsed off. I mean, I just can't believe it. They just look so much better. Alright, so we have the entire carburetor put back together. So now we're going to see if it'll start. Alright guys, did this work? Let's find out. We got to get gasoline in the float first. Alright, so we have a major fuel leak right here. And you know why it wasn't starting? Because I forgot to connect the spark plug thing. It don't matter anyway, it's got a fuel leak. It's literally dripping everywhere. Alright, so apparently I forgot a gasket where the power valve sits, and I got that on there. So now, let's try starting it again. Alright, here we go. Let's see if it'll work this time. Okay, so it is the next day, I didn't record any more videos after that clip you just saw because I was kind of in a hurry to get this done, and the car ain't really running any better. It started running just like it was before I got the rebuild done. So I'm not sure if I did anything wrong or not. There was a little part near the Venturi system that I broke. It lifts up this rod. Oh no. Well, we just broke a part. And I broke one side. I don't know if that's making a difference or not. And also, part of the carburetor cracked while I was screwing it back on the manifold. I don't know if that's part of the problem either, but we're gonna see today if it'll run right. It probably won't because this carburetor has so many issues. It's kind of running a little weird. This is absolutely terrible. There's no way you can drive it like this. Okay guys, take a look at this. Look at that smoke coming out of that crack. That's the crack I was talking about. It cracked right there. And I noticed it was burning a lot of oil too. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. Alright, so let's try this again. Let's see what happens if we rev it. Oh, I don't want to rev. You can barely rev it. I mean, watch what happens. It wants to cut off if you really hit it. Yeah, something's definitely going on. I think we're going to have to get a new carburetor, guys. Alright, so unfortunately, we were not able to fix the problem by rebuilding the carburetor. If anything, I think we made it a little worse. I am not an expert on carburetors whatsoever, so tell me what you think I should get. This is a 302 Windsor engine. I have no idea what I need to get just yet. If you guys could give me some ideas, that would be great. We could order another carburetor for it. So I appreciate y'all for watching the videos. We recently just hit 100 subscribers. I made a subscriber special about it. Y'all need to go check that out if you haven't seen it yet. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you wish to follow the channel, please subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, just comment below and tell me what kind of carburetor I need to get for this car, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.